Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your recent orders on Kohl's. If you don't have a Kohl's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website kohls.com. On this page, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a button that says Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for View Recent Orders. Click on View Recent Orders. Now here, you will see your recent orders. I haven't ordered anything yet, so my order history is empty. That's how you view your recent orders on Kohl's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.